Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sheyi Dairo. Today we want to talk about how to start export business from Nigeria or any part of African countries to diaspora. So if you are very well interested about this, please allow you guys to move closer. Let us talk. As of today, when I'm making this video, I go to Google now to search for the value of $1 to Naira. This is giving me 1,498 Nigerian Naira. Let's just approximate this to 1,500 US dollars. This is one of the sellers in diaspora. This is one of Nigerians selling African foodstuffs in diaspora. For instance, look at this now. This is akara. Akara costs $5. This person sell akara at the rate of $5. Suya costs $5. Okay, look at this now. Grilled tiger shrimp $6. Mine is $6. And don't forget, after today when I'm making this video, the value of $1 to Naira is what? 1,500 Naira. Look at Igbin. Igbin is snail. Igbin costs $20 in diaspora. These are Nigerians selling this there. Okay, why I'm showing you this is just to let you see the potential you have in making money in exportation business. How much does this cost in your own country if you want to get it? Puff is $5. Okay, maybe you can also see many other things here. Isiewu is $20. Nkobi is $18. Goat pepper soup $15. Fish pepper soup $15. So, and the rest you can also see from here. This is just to prepare you ahead of this tutorial. If you are very much crave about export business, I want to train you today, and I need you to give me your full attention from the beginning to the end without you skipping any part of this. If you are very new to my YouTube channel, please, what you can do to help yourself, because I'm not collecting money from you, I'm just giving you free tutorial. What you can do to help yourself and to support my channel is to make sure you give like to this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you drop your comment, anything you don't understand, and share this video. This is another seller in diaspora. Some of these people, they are African. So look at this now. Small fried rice in a box costs just $12 to $16. And look at all others. $15 just big fried rice, $15. Egusi soup $18 to $25. And look at amala. Amala is $5.99 US dollars. Fried yam $11 to $15, and so on like that. So I don't want to go more than this. So now let's talk about how to start a successful export business from any part of the country, wherever you are. So before you start export business, you need to learn about the business, how it works, then market demand and the regulations guiding the exportation from Nigeria or any part of the African countries where you are watching me from. Now, what can you export? This is a great question for many of you. How you have this in your mind? What can I export? Nigeria or Africa country has variety of exportable products, including agricultural products like ginger, sesame seeds, cashew nuts, cocoa, shea butter, palm oil, bitter cola, cola nuts, and so many more. Then we have solid minerals like lead, zinc, limestone, and so on. Then we have finished goods. These are goods like textiles, cosmetics, and processed foods. Then we have raw materials like wood, rubber, and leather. Now, if I will advise you now about products you can base on and be exporting, I will say start with a product that have high demand abroad and is easy to source. Then let's talk about the conducting of the market research. If you want to start successful export business, identify countries that need Nigerian products, or any country you are watching me from. Try to identify countries that need your products. We are still coming there. This is part of the thing I will treat for you, and that is why you need to watch this video to the end. So after this, find potential buyers. I know this is one of the great challenges that many of you have. I will show you secret of getting buyers abroad. I'm still going there. Then study competition and pricing strategies. These are the things you need to know in order to conduct market research. I'm still going there to show you some of this because I'll go practical now on my laptop. Now I will show you many secrets here today. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button and share this video, because there are many people outside there that need information like this. Another thing which is going to be my step 3 about this is you need to register your business. If you are from Nigeria, for instance, to legally export from Nigeria, you must register your business with Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC. So these are steps to register your business with CAC. LLC. Number 1, choose a business name. Number 2, register as a sole proprietor or limited liability company. Are you with me? Number 3, obtain a tax identification number, that is TIN, T-I-N, from the Federal Inland Revenue Service, that is FIRS. Step number 4 I have for you. Obtain required licenses and certifications. Number 1 is Exporters Registration Certificate. You can obtain this one from NEPC, that is Nigerian Export Promotion Council, that is NEPC. Number 2, get product specific certifications. Product specific certifications. Well, this is depending on the product. If your product is about foods and drugs, then you have to get NAFDAC for that. Then for manufactured products, go and get SONCAP, SONCAP. Then for agricultural products, go and get phytosanitary certificates. Then you can go and get what the third one says, export license. Well, this is not for everybody. This is only required if you want to export restricted goods like timber. So that is for that one. And some of these things I listed now, don't forget the first one is exporter registration certificates, which we get from NEPC. The second one is product specific certification, while the third one is export license. This thing I'm talking about now is not mandatory for some people. If you are going for mini export business, you may not need this. You may make use of some agent to export your goods without you passing through some of these things. But this is very, very important if you are going fully on export and going bigger on export business. But if you are starting small, you may not need some of these things I'm talking about here. You may likely not need it. Using the agent may help you cover some of these things. So let's move on. Step number 5 now is for you to source for suppliers. Buy directly from farmers or manufacturer to reduce the cost. Don't buy retail. Go deeper. Try to source for where you can get it wholesale. Ensure product quality meets international standards. That is the second one. And the third one is consider packaging and labeling requirements for the target market. All these things are, if you don't work on it, it is going to affect you in the business. And how will you do this? You need to work with your buyers in foreign land so as to work together to know how to do it right, because every country have their own specifications. Step number 6 now, let's talk about finding buyers, and that is what I want to show you now. If you want to get buyers, this is one of the major problems that people have. How am I going to get buyers? Let me show you one secret. Go to Google right now as you are watching this video and type top American cities with Nigerian population. Top American cities with Nigerian population. Then look at the result given me here. I believe you also type the same. The top cities in the United States with Nigerian populations include New York City, Austin, Dallas, and Atlanta. So let's base on the New York City for now. So just try to jot it down, right? If I use Nigeria here now, I just use Nigeria as a sample. You can use your own country, of course. After then, when you noted those cities down, then come to Google again and search Nigerian restaurants in those cities. Don't forget New York, right? So I put New York here now. Nigerian restaurants in New York. If I use Nigeria, that means I'm from Nigeria. If you're watching me from Cameroon now, you put Cameroon restaurants in New York. You get me now? So look at the result giving me here now. Look at this now. There are many. So you have options like click on this one out to see more and you see their contacts. Then you can make use of this one also. This is Yep. Yep is a very good website. You can see these people. So let me click on this one. So from here now, look at it. Top 10 best Nigerian restaurants near New York. Now look at this now. From here now, what you would do is to let me click on this. Okay, look at it now. Then from here, I'm able to get their website. This is the website. Now click on the website. Oh, great. Now look at the website. So look at it now. Look at it. These are Nigerians residing in outside countries who you can partner with, selling your own food source from Nigeria now. Partner with some of these people now and make a great deal. So from here now, look at the menu. Click on the menu. Then you will see their things here. Food menu. This is drink menu. Look at different one here. Palm wine. Palm wine is $10 and so on like that. Are you with me? So let's talk about how to get in touch with them. Click on contacts. So from here now, look at the contacts. From here now, you can fill up this and drop your message. But I still have to tell you this. I think before getting these people, I need to tell you one secret which you can use to prepare yourself ahead before getting in touch with them. And second method is this. This is the Instagram. You can click click on this now, you will see them on Instagram or on Facebook. This is their Facebook page. Now, what I want you guys to do is this, a great secret I want to give you, because if you are continue clicking on some of these things now, you will be seeing many more like this. They are many. I don't want to waste time on this. I just want to give you small information you should go and develop yourself about this. So it's not about talking much, but basic needs for you to get it right. What you will do before getting in touch with some of these things is, these people are, make sure you create your online presence. Let me show you one of them here. I think there's one person here. Let me quickly look for the person. Okay, like this one this one is on Instagram, this one is on TikTok. Oh great, look at this person's TikTok now. This is what I want you guys to do. They will not take you serious if you don't work on yourself before connecting with some of these foreign investors. What you will do is, you have to work on your online presence. TikTok is one of the great tools you can use to package yourself professionally. Go to TikTok, Instagram, these two, Facebook also, very important. These three social media, if you can make use of them very well, you are good to go. Even not even websites. What you have to be doing about this, if you go to TikTok now, you'll see people making content on different things. If you want to talk about exportation business, what are you into? Now, what are you into? Are you into palm oil? What do you have access to that you want to be exported? You need people from outside country to partner with you. Then make yourself available in, be creating content about this. Let people know you with that. Oh, if you go to this social person, by the time you watch 2 or 3 videos, you know that this person is into this. So when you work on this now, like look at the person now, have over 17,000 followers and making content about her business or his business. So you have, if people in outside country can work on this, then why not you? You have to prepare yourself. Why I'm saying this is, even you put yourself in their shoes. Someone want to partner with you. If you check that person information, you see that nothing or like zero, then what will give you confidence to have deal with that such person? So that is why you need to package yourself. The way you package yourself, people will respect you and they will be willing to have a business relationship with you. So I come to TikTok now and I search for herb and spices. Now look at different content around it. I'm just showing you this now so that you have an idea on how you can be making content around your business, your product you want to be exporting to outside countries. You can also type that your product you want to export, type it here, and this will actually help you to aspire you like what kind of content you can be making in your own TikTok account you reserve for something like that, or on Instagram. So let's go further. For herb and spices now, you want to get foreign investor, foreign buyers for it. You can go to Google and search for top most populated cities in India. Why are we targeting India? Because for herb and spices now, major buyer we have for it are from Asia countries. So if you want to get from India now, for instance, now you can search these top most populated cities in India and you can see the results. The most populated cities in India are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Bangalore. Using Delhi now, I say herb and spices, Delhi, India. Now look at the result giving me here now. What I want to achieve from me is just to get potential buyer for this. I have trained you about how to prepare yourself ahead before getting in touch with these people. So look at this now. Now what you will do is here, look at this. Anywhere you see places like this, now come to this place. You see more places, just click on more places. Oh great. Now look at it from here now. Look at different one from here. Let me start from this first one here now. I'll click on this. So when you click on it now, you see websites here. Now click on the website. Oh great. So with this strategy now, I'm able to get a website, and with this now I can contact them. Look at the contact, click on contacts, or come to the bottom of the page. You're able to say, okay, now look at this is Instagram. So follow us on Instagram. Look at Instagram. You can connect with them on Instagram or Twitter or anywhere. Okay, for instance, let me go to this contact button here. I click on contact. So from here now, look at the contact here. Look at the email address. Look at the phone number. Look at the address, everything, even the website, everything. So now these are the strategy you can actually be using to connect with foreign buyers of your herb and spices. And don't forget, before you contact them, I said work on yourself, prepare yourself, package yourself by making your online presence more professional. And I use TikTok, Instagram as a sample for you to package yourself. You need to work on yourself before going to Meta investors. You know why? There are many competition on this field. There are many people trying to do export business, but if you don't do it right, you'll not be able to stand out. So another one is United Arab Emirates. You can type top most populated cities in United Arab Emirates. Look at it now, top most populated cities in UAE. So using this method now, look at this, I'm able to get it, that is Dubai. Then when getting it that Dubai is the most populated United City in the United Arab Emirates, you can now type herb and spices Dubai UAE. Then you will see different one here now. Then you can search for it. Using this now, you're able to get their website. From website now, get their contact details, then get in touch with them. Now the next challenge we may have now is how will you get in touch, like how is so now you're able to get your foreign investors, and I've told you this, and I've given you the secret that prepare yourself, package yourself. You have all these things, you have documents, you have everything, you have your online presence, you have secret of getting in touch with foreign investors or foreign buyers you can partner with. The next thing is for you to contact them, get in touch with them, and like send proposal letter to them to have business. This is what you are into, so create a relationship with them. So the next step of this training I want to give you is handle logistics and shipping. So the shipping method we have, the first one is air freight, which is expensive but fast for perishable goods. The second one is sea freight. It is cheaper but slower and ideal for bulk goods. While the third one we have is courier services like DHL, FedEx, and so on. They usually use this one for small items, very small items, but it's very costly. Now, when it comes to documentation and many more, certification, documentation, if you may have challenge with that, you can work with freight forwarders. With the help of freight forwarders, they can help you with your shipping and many more. Using their own document or whatever, they can help you with shipping. So I will advise you, if you are just getting started, you can work with freight forwarder. So work with a licensed freight forwarder to handle export documentation and logistics. For some of you that don't have freight forwarder list, you don't have logistics that can even help you, yes, I have many here now to give you, but make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you guide on verified freight forwarder and logistics. So the next step now is let's talk about the compliance with foreign regulations. Each country has different regulations, so ensure your product meets their safety and quality standards. Then follow their custom procedures to avoid rejection or fines. The next step I want to show you here is how to promote and scale your business. One, you can build a website, very good website for business, but it's not compulsory if you are just getting started. Instead, you can make use of your online presence. Either you have a website or not, online presence is very important. Your social media presence is very important. So work on that. I said I've talked to you about that one. Then you can partner with other exporters or trade agencies. By doing some of these things now, even with time, you can expand to more markets over time. In conclusion, exporting from Nigeria or any part of Africa countries is a profitable business if you follow the right steps. That is, from registration to finding buyers and shipping legally. Start small, ensure quality, and use the right platforms to secure deals. I know you may have challenge with reliable shipping companies you can use either from Nigeria now to export your goods, or freight forwarders that can actually help you. Yes, there are many shipping companies like that that can help you, guide you, help you with anything you need. They will even advise you like, oh, why are you doing like this? Why can't you do this way? This will not help you. This can help you. I have some with me here, and I'm going to drop it for you in description to this video. Just check the description to this video. I'm going to drop the list of this there. I'll be updating it with time. And if you are there watching me here now, you know you are fitting for this, or you know any freight forwarder or logistic that help with exportation of your goods to diaspora, please, I beg you, get in touch with me so that I can add it to the list for people. I'll put it in my description. Just check the description to this video. I'll be adding it there for you guys. Wherever you're watching me from, if you're watching from other countries also, please help us. We need this thing. Get in touch with me so that we can put it here. And mind you, you have to be very careful. Make sure you do your diligent research with these contacts before you can trust them. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a like on this video, drop your comment, and share this video. So thanks guys for watching. Please, if you want to join my WhatsApp TV where you'll be seeing my daily status, just check the pinned comment. I'll put the link there to connect with me and be part of my WhatsApp TV viewers. These two videos is very important. I want you guys to go and watch it. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.